Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add transition in Instagram Reels. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your Instagram application on your Android and iOS. And after opening up the Instagram application, what you're gonna have to do here, that you will tap on this plus icon and then tap on Reels here and then tap on the camera here. So now what I will do is I will basically like make two reels here. Okay, so first this one and the next one will be this one. Now here are like two different reels. Okay, so if I wanted to add transition between these two reels, I will tap on next, then tap on edit video, and here you can see we have these two separate clips. Okay, so I will tap on this minus icon in the middle of these two clips, and it will basically gives me these cool transitions that I can add. Okay, and you can even see the preview above. Okay, so we have all kind of these transitions, so I like this one. I will tap on done here, and now when I will play the video, you will see the transition. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.